Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ratan Lakshmi Villa by SL's Group located in Mulund. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Also, you can go towards the station from both left and right of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 19 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at the corner of NS and SL Road, Mulund, from where you have Mulund railway station at a distance of 200 meters. LBS Marg is at a distance of 5-minute drive. Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 1.5 km and you have school, colleges, hospitals all within the distance of 1 km from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities that will include a gym, yoga zone, gazebo, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 403 and 421 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 607 to 625 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ratan Lakshmi Villa by SL's Group located in Mulund.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.